5 of the most significant tsunamis. Number 5 Valdivia Tsunami occurred on May 22, 1960, when a 9.5 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Chile, resulting in a tsunami that affected several countries in the Pacific Ocean and caused over 5,000 deaths. Number 4 Krakatoa Tsunami occurred on August 26, 1883, when the Krakatoa volcano in Indonesia erupted, resulting in a tsunami that caused significant damage and led to over 36,000 deaths. Number 3 Lisbon Tsunami occurred on November